this is my look for today. It's a blue look. I hope you like it. Let's get started. So to start, I'm going to use my MAC paint pot in the colour Soft Ochre. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the shade, this blue one. I'm going to get a really fluffy, really flexible brush, and I'm just going to put that in my crease kind of area. And I'm going to grab a clean brush and continue to blend out these lines. Okay, so now that I've got a transition kind of blended out shade, I'm going in with the darker blue, and I'm just going to place that just the same areas, just closer to my eye, not so blown out. Okay, so now I have my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going to cut the crease, but only this much, like only just like the inner corner kind of section, because I think I'm going to smoke out the rest, but just have like a little cut crease right in the corner. Using the same shades as before, I'm just going to detail right beside the crease and make it more contrasting. So now using the shimmery blue, I'm going to pat that on the lid, just only on the middle to outer portion. So now on a really small brush, I'm going to pick up a lot of white, and I'm going to spray it with my MAC Fix Plus. And I'm going to apply it to the cut crease and the area that's left that I haven't put shadow on. Okay, now I'm just going to blend that in with the blue colour on my lid. Okay, so now for the lash line, I'm going to go in with the first shade that I used, that light matte blue shade. I'm just going to run it across the lower, but only till about 3/4 of the way. Okay, so now again with the white shade, I'm going to run that along the inner corner, along the bottom. Okay, so now I'm just going to use that same shimmery blue colour and just connect the white and the dark blue on my lower line. Okay, so now I'm going to add some eyelashes. These are just some really fluffy ones. And I've just got my strip lash adhesive, and it's just a clear one. Okay, so I don't really like these lashes, but I'm going to go and put some mascara on and just hopefully it looks okay. Okay, so now I'm going to finish off my base makeup, and I'm going to use this Cocoa contour. I'm just going to use the two brown shades, mix them together, and just bronze and contour my face. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this Clinique blush. It's called Pink Love, and I'm just going to use the same brush. And I'm just going to blend in with my foundation brush. Now, using the Satin Sheets colour, this one, I'm going to go in with that as my highlighter. Okay, so now for lips, I'm going to go in with this Jouer Naked Shade lipstick. And now I'm just going to go over with the Dandelion lip gloss from Benefit. Okay guys, so this is my finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. I really like how this turned out. I've never done a full blue eye before, and I'm really loving it. So, like, subscribe, whatever, it doesn't really matter. See you next time. Bye! See you, fans.